Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something very simple but also very annoying, because that car over there, my 2003 Nissan 350Z, doesn't have much space to work with under the engine bay. We are doing two sensors. I got these sensors from rockauto.com. These are two camshaft position sensors. The camshaft position sensors on my Z are completely shot. Not completely shot, but the car has a hard time cranking. So if you have that issue, this is what you want to change. It could be your crankshaft sensor too, but the code is P0340, I think. That's supposed to be it. I'll make sure of that, and I'll put the code over here. So these are two sensors. They look like, that's one. This is what it looks like. Another one has an angle to it. This one looks like this. So we're gonna go ahead and change those because they're gone and they make it really hard for the car to crank, and I think that's really affecting the starter. So if you have that issue as well, you can change it, and I'm gonna try to show you to the best of my knowledge and to the best that I can. But yeah, alright, so if you're not familiar with exactly where the sensors are, there's two of them. One of them sits over here on this side. It's down. Okay, so one of them is down there. You see that green clip? That's exactly where it is. That clip is a pain to take out. Change those out. And then the other one is on that side. And for that side, you do have to take out your intake. I think just to get more clearance, it'll make it easier. For this side, it's right there. Pretty sure I can reach it. Okay, so there is a 10mm bolt on the left side of the screw that I'm going to take out. This can be like the worst filming that I've ever done, because I'm working like down there and like I don't have anywhere to put the camera. So okay, so I got the first bolt out. I'll put a diagram or pictures or something. It does have a washer on it. It has one crush washer and one normal washer. It's a 10mm. And then this thing should pop right out. Let's see. I recommend doing this in like the morning when your car's really not even, when your car's not hot at all, because a spider, because it gets really hot. And oh my god. Alright, let me show you what this looks like. Oh my god. Okay, so let me get you guys to this side of the car. I took out the sensor. It's over there. That's the old sensor on it. That was the green clip, and there's a 10mm in there. So this is the clip that's a pain. On this side, well, mine's like broken off a little bit, but over here there's something that I have to push, and then this will come out. I need two hands for this. So it's really hot in Jersey. We've been having very like tropical weather. It's raining and then it's hot, and then it's raining and it's hot again, and it's disgusting. It's all like sticky and slimy and like bleh. I managed to get this one out. This is the old one. If it's covered in a little bit of oil, that's fine. At least that's what I read online. I believe everything I see online. That's the kind of person I am. So this looks fine. You can trust me. I'm a YouTube mechanic. And now I'm literally gonna just replace this with the other one and then put that back in. Then I'll get to the other side. By the way, when you are doing this, make sure you get the part that looks exactly like yours, like the OEM one. See how this is like the same thing, literally? So don't trust everything you see online, because there was another one. There was like an aftermarket one. It's Hitachi or something. That's the brand. And if it doesn't look the same, don't put it in. I learned it the hard way. Don't ask. You just push it in until you hear a click, and once you hear the click, you can put this one back in. Alright, I'm done with this side. I tightened everything down. You shouldn't make it too tight, because those, the screws, the nuts, excuse me, the nuts are that strong, so you don't want to snap them in half or something. It would just make it all out worse. I only had to change this side, but I read on a couple forums that it's best to change both when you're changing them, so I'm going to go ahead and change that side as well. And that one, like I said, you have to take out the intake and all that crap. And yeah. Oh, and when you're doing this, please buy OEM parts. I don't know if you have to get it, like, I don't think you have to get it straight from Nissan, but at least get like a reputable brand that's known for making OEM parts. Because I've gotten other parts before and it just didn't work, and don't waste your time or money. Just get the OEM parts, that's going to work best. I'm just going to take off the intake so I have a little more room to play with. I'm trying to remember where this one was. No. Oh my god, it's right here. I'm having the hardest time with this. I found it. It's back there. I really don't even think the camera can pick it up, so I can't really show you. I'll have a diagram on the screen for sure. This is a pain, but it's back there. I took off the screw for it. I'm trying to. You know what? I think it's easier on that side. Oh, I see you. Why is it so hot out today? No. Oh. It's hot. Ha. I got it out. So, set out 2-350-0. I got it out. This one is huge hassle. So what you have to do is that there's a clip. You have to push it down and then in. And then when you push it in, at the same time you have to pull this out. So that's the hardest part. But I got this one out as well. I'm going to replace it and hopefully we should be good. Last time I changed these, we were not good. It didn't fix the issue. I'm like dripping sweat. It's really hot and disgusting. I'm going to stand far away so you don't see my sweat. It's a bad view. Okay, so this is the new one. This is the old one. You see, same thing. Just push it until you hear a click, and then you gotta figure out where you took it out from. I can't see anything. Oh, you gotta just find that. Is this it? That's definitely not it. Oh, I found it. You're gonna have to work with your hands a little bit. Try to find a hole. Now I can put everything back together and give it a start up and see if everything is well. Everything's finally on and I'm running out of battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and start her up. See how she's. I'm gonna put the intake back on, by the way. I didn't forget about that. I'm gonna start her up, see how she runs, and hopefully she runs well. Okay, I put everything back together. I'm gonna go start her up right now and see how she does. She works! She started right up. That's good. I do have to clear the check engine light. That's just something you have to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Also, smash that like button. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hello, everybody. Whoa. I was about to fall off.